Hi guys, in this video let's see that how we can restore our Snapchat streak for free. So let's start. So first what we will do is we will open a Google Chrome and then we will search for Snapchat support. Snapchat support. Just search for it, then just click it. Right? Then what you need to do is click on I lost my snap streak. Just click on it. Right? Then what you do is you select the second option, I lost my snap streak, how do I restore it? Just click on it, then just scroll down and you can see this cross mark. Just click on the cross mark, right? Then give this reason that is present on the third one. Just give this reason, submit, right? Then what you do is just click on it and click on this thing that is present on the top right corner, these three lines that is present on the top right corner. Just click on it, then just click on contact us, right? Then what you do is you see this option, I lost my snap streak, that is the fourth option. Just click on it. Then what you do is, what do you need help with? Just click on I have trouble restoring my snap streak, or if you have any other trouble, how do I restore my snap streak, or any other trouble, you can click on it. Then click on yes. It will take you to another page. From here what you can do is, from here give the reason I don't have option to restore my snap streak. Then give your username, email ID, mobile number, date of attempted snap streak restoration, your friend's username, the snap streak length, suppose 43. So give this magic letters. In the description please give this magic words and it is sure that your work will be done. After that click on submit, right? You must be sure that you have entered your username and your email ID. After doing this you will notice a change in your streak and your streak will be restored. So if this video was helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to TechMap. Thank you.